What's going, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. For this first tutorial, I will show you how to set up Blender in millimeters precision. After opening Blender, I click on A to select all. Then I delete everything by clicking on the delete button. After that, I go to Scene Properties and I click on Unit. And change meters to millimeters. Now you have to know that you have to correct unit scale for a scene in millimeter. To do this, you just have to change the value to 0.001. We notice that the distance of the lines of the scene become big. To adjust these lines, just click this time on Viewport Overlay and change the scale value to 0.001. Now to check that everything is in millimeter, we will click on Shift+A to create a cube. Then we click on Add Cube. We notice that all units are in millimeters. We now change its value to 5 millimeters. Here is how to set up Blender in millimeters precision. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time.